Alright, I made a scope adjustment and we just to check and see how good my scope adjustment looks. Weapon hot.
Boy, I feel that shot.
Huh? We'll shoot this and we'll go see what they look like. Alright, let's go see what they look like.
Still record?